And I want to encourage you, because you've been creating so much content via participating with us over here on stage. And I've got a few stats that I pulled out from Slido. So, ladies and gentlemen, you have sent 2,000 votes in polls. Stay with me, Michael, stay with me. 2,000 votes in polling questions that we had. That's mind-blowing. But what's even more mind-blowing, that over the course of 2 days, and trust me, I have witnessed hundreds and hundreds of conferences, but this level of engagement is really unique. So you have sent 400 questions, which is absolutely mind-blowing from more than 120 people. And I think it deserves a round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for really all that interaction. And before we give out the prizes that we promised you, I would like to get on stage the other two people behind this conference. Michael, shall we do that?
Of course.
Okay, Tomas, please join us on stage over here. Let's give it up for Tomas Barnas and Matthew Bird. Brilliant. And I'm going to ask Lutka to bring the cameras on stage, please. Thank you so much. And dear AV team, let's put up over here the raffle, the wheel of names, and we're going to take a look at that. That's not bad, right? All of you, those are all of you who actually posted at least one question tagged with your name, all right? So, and we promised you that ideally the winner should be present in this room. So shouldn't the winner be in here, in this room, we are going to keep on spinning. So, dear AV team, let's spin the wheel.
Take one of these.
And the winner is Josip! Josip, do we have you over here in this room?
Must be present to win.
Spin again?
Uh-oh.
Josip,
Not here.
Present
not
to
here?
win.
Well, then we have to spin the wheel once again. All right, let's spin the wheel. Too bad for Josip.
Yeah. He's definitely...
Publicly on LinkedIn, please.
All right, Alberto. Do we have Alberto in the room?
Hey!
Amazing, Alberto, come join us on stage. Amazing. How many questions did you post, Alberto?
Just a couple.
Just a couple. Alberto, congratulations.
Amen. Congratulations. Thank you. Thank you. So
Perfect.
I will give you the present. So thank you.
Congrats, man.
And ladies and gentlemen, we have decided, we didn't announce this, but you've been absolutely fantastic and super active. So we decided to give out 2 other cameras, 2 other prizes. So there were some super active individuals who sent dozens of questions. So before the final AMA, all right, because we need to pull out the stats. So Martin Bilas sent 19 questions. Martin, do we have you in the room? Martin over there, give him a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. 19 questions. Okay, the second most active was Renata Simone, 37 questions. Let's give her a round of applause. And ladies and gentlemen, and the winner of the second camera, 41 questions before the AMA, Kamille Mazurka. Let's give it up for Kamille. Kamille, are you here? Kamille, come, join us over here on stage. Perfect. Woo. Very good, speed it up. Fantastic. 41 questions. That's,
You save yours for last.
woo.
Thank you. Appreciate
Let's give him a clap. Perfect.
Congrats. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for your engagement.
And we also decided to give out a prize to one more person, to the most popular question that received the highest numbers of upvotes. And that question was for the panel discussion that we had on Gaussian Splatting. So the question was, what industries will benefit the most from integrating the Gaussian Splatting into their workflows? And that prize goes to Renata Simone, and the second most active person when it comes to sending the questions. So Renata, please join us over here. The third camera goes to you. Congratulations.
Thank you very much for your engagement.
Thank you for your engagement.
So what? Exactly.
Photo. Let's take a look. Perfect.